welcome to vlog 1 from Tamil Nadu. This is the reality when we are traveling. Hair is all messed up, but the light is really good. I wanted to shoot in bed. तो मैं आज पहुँची हूँ तमिलनाडु after taking my flight from Gorakhpur to Bangalore to Chennai. We'll skip that part because वो बहुत लंबा part था, बहुत hectic था, मेरा पूरा दिन उसमें चला गया. मेरी आवाज़ से सुन के पता चल रहा होगा थोड़ा that I am really tired. So that's why I'm in bed. And this trip is actually not a personal trip. ट्रिप पे मैं तमिलनाडु tourism enchanting तमिलनाडु के साथ आई हूँ, which means I'm with the government side again, which is one of the plus points of having this job where I get to travel with sometimes with the government, sometimes with travel companies, sometimes even with the Indian Army. So it's a privilege. But अभी तक तो start कुछ हुआ नहीं है trip, but the welcoming and all everything has been really good and I am very happy because काफ़ी time बाद इतना comfortable bed, luxury and everything. So I forgot to tell you guys that tomorrow is World Tourism Day. I'm just so nervous because I'm traveling with these really good creators and then also with the tourism board and I'm feeling a little unwell. अभी start भी नहीं हुआ trip and I'm there. I think COVID के बाद से मेरी इतनी ख़राब immunity हो गई that even if I have some ice cream, no मेरी मतलब cold and all हो जाता है. Let's just skip this part. I'm just going to sleep and you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, good night.
According to the subscribers name, it's just decided. Is there any plan to expand? இது மாதிரி அங்க இருக்கிற அழகு நிறைந்த இடங்கள் இதை எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து வலைத்தளங்கள்ல அவங்க போடும்போது Madam, look at here. Madam, look at here. Yes, back to them.
So finally from मतलब चेन्नई से निकल के हम लोग महाबलीपुरम आ गए हैं and यहाँ पे we have just stopped for a loo break, but look at the view. It's like just by the sea and I'm so excited because you know I have not been to a lot of sea points. So if you are ever in Tamil Nadu, especially this Mahabalipuram area, it's basically famous for its temples, beaches and a lot of culture, matlab history, culture, a lot of things. And if you're here, you should definitely hit up the Show Temple, जो कि beach side पे पड़ता है बिल्कुल. It's really nice, pretty, and there are a lot of temples here, like as old as 7th, 8th century जितना old. And yes, we are all like मैं पूरी डूबी हुई हूँ तमिलनाडु merchandise के. They've given us so many gifts and it's just been awesome. But for now, just have a look at this. Happiest I have been since the trip started because इतना hectic हो रहा था. But now when I'm at the beach for the third time, I'm watching a sea or a beach, something like that, and I'm so happy and excited because yeah, it's something different for me. I've not yet experienced that sea life. It's so good. I want to have a dip, but we are getting late. We have to go to some other place.
Morning 10 o'clock open, evening 5 o'clock closing. Look, all the place closed, no problem. Oh, look here. Chaulikas were a very great helper and also they are a very participating person. According to business competition, the often against the Pallias. The Pallias, monolithic, such a complex one.
So we are at the seashore temple, and actually it's said कि पल्लवास ने इसको 6th 7th century इतना टाइम पहले बनाया था, and now they made like 7 temples, 7 pagodas, but 6 of them are in the water. So this is the only one left.
The girl carrying the food. The mother to be inside, so mispronounced. She thought the son brought the food. She loved all the children.
So everything, like all the temples and boulders that you see behind me, ये सारे एक rock थे, and they have been carved out of it. So it's like one giant rock, इतना बड़ा सा, and everything has been carved. उसको काट के like these lion है, I guess, elephants, temples. अलग अलग तरह के temples भी हैं. Some are Bengali, some have Bengali architecture, some have Jain architecture, and then there are boulders and everything there, like one single rock. Wow.
So we are discussing my broken phone.
Sure, do you have the phone?
So things that happen to you when you're on trips.
It's okay, you'll get a new one now.
I had a wardrobe planned. Are you shooting this? I didn't want to be wearing this at Travelocorn.
Okay, so are we here? Yes, we are. So this was the temple. It's called Gangai Konda Cholapuram. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. ये चार चोला लिविंग चोला टेम्पल्स में से एक है. इट्स इन तांजावुर एंड हम लोग काफ़ी जल्दी आए. इट वाज नॉट प्लान्ड कि आज यहाँ हमारा आने का प्लान ही था, बट वी आर ऑलरेडी हियर. सो इट्स अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल डे. आई एम अ लिटिल सिक, सो आई माइट लुक सिक एज वेल, बट द टेम्पल इज रियली प्रिटी and it has a lot of history to it. So yeah.